Looking to start packing a healthy lunch to bring along wherever you go? After scouring the internet researching dozens of lunch boxes, we purchased 5 of the best and got down to business. We examined which can hold a proper temperature the longest and which can prevent leaky messes. We've evaluated the ease of cleaning and packing and any additional features each one may have. We also determined the amount of food each contender can carry so that you can find an option to best suit your needs. There are many products available to choose the best lunch boxes for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best lunch boxes for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best overall lunch box, YETI Daytrip lunch box. The YETI Daytrip lunch box won us over with its durable and easy to clean waterproof material, excellent temperature control, and leak-proof storage. It has a rigid frame that is easy to pack and was one of only 3 lunch bags with a waterproof liner. In testing, it held cool and hot temperatures better than most in our fleet, with only the packet freezable topping the YETI's performance. We found it easy to pack and food was protected from getting crushed in transport. The lid has a magnetic closure and a sturdy, large zipper. This bag is made of durable materials and is robust enough to stand on its own when you carry it with one of the 3 handles on the outside. We tested all the limitations and packed it full of food to take on the go. Even though the YETI is largely leak-proof, we found a bit of leakage at the zipper, which is its weak point. We also noted that the rigid design, which we liked for easy packing, cleaning, and protecting food from getting crushed, made the bag a little bulky compared to the softer designs that can squish down smaller depending on what's inside, thus sliding into packs easier. The YETI Daytrip is an excellent option for people who want good temperature regulation and need a durable protective cooler for their lunch. Number 2. Great Thermos style Lille Home Stackable Stainless. The Lille Home Stackable Stainless was leak-proof in our testing and managed warm and hot food well. It has 3 compartments that stack on each other, secured by threads that screw tight. It is built of plastic compartments lined with stainless steel, and when storing hot food, the insulated container is comfortable to touch and hold. We stacked curried lentils, rice, and a yogurt dish in the tiers and carried them around without leaks. It boasts a smart design for people who like to keep portions separate or bring different courses. It slides into an attractive felt case with a long, adjustable strap for carrying. Cleaning was straightforward, wash and let air dry in the dish rack. Though we like the design and the performance of the Lille Home Stackable set, it is best for warm or room temperature food, and in testing, it didn't keep hot food warm for very long. At 4 hours, the food was just above room temperature. We recommend preheating the thermos compartments with hot water before packing hot food to help the food stay warm longer. The containers are also not microwavable. The stackable design means that condensation from hot food or food remnants can attach to the bottom of each dish when you are unstacking them, as they are used as the lid to the container below. Be prepared with napkins. Number 3. Best stainless steel option. Black and Blum stainless steel. The Black and Blum stainless steel impressed with a completely leak-proof design. The rubber seal on the lid and the vacuum valve on the lid ensure a very tight fit and leak-proof security. The stainless steel divider is designed to fit snugly in the container and move from side to side so that you can adjust the size of the compartments. This model is made of food-safe stainless steel, is super easy to clean, comes with a rubber band to help secure the box, and also holds the included fork. We like this sleek and simple design, as it is safe to just toss in your backpack for the day. Though we enjoyed the function of the Black plus Blum, it is not insulated and, therefore, not intended to keep food hot or cold. This box must be refrigerated to keep the contents cold. We also found in testing that the divider in the box can move around slightly and is not sealed, so wet ingredients can leak into the other compartment. It is not meant to contain soup, but rather pasta, salad, or other food that won't leak into each other. Because of its small capacity, this box holds just enough for a lunch portion, but no extras as a standard contender could. The Black Plus Blum is a good design for people packing daily lunches and who don't ever want to worry about leaks. Number 4. Good stainless steel option. To-Go Ware 3-tier stainless. The To-Go Ware 3-tier stainless performed well with large capacity with its 3 tiers of food storage in food-safe stainless steel containers. We like that it stores up to 3 separate food items in secure containers and is adjustable. The top container can be carried independently if a smaller profile is needed. In testing, this Tiffin Design's top-tier lid had a tight fit and was leak-proof with water in it. We stacked curried lentils, rice, and a yogurt dish in it, just like we did with the Lille Stackable set, and experienced no food leaks. This design is as easy to clean as washing a dish. The To-Go is not insulated, and when hot food is placed in it, the containers can be too hot to hold. Good thing it has a handle on the top to carry it with. We also didn't love that the clasps that hold the tiers together for easy carrying do not detach from the box, so the bottom tier has long metal arms on it while eating out of it. Lastly, the top tier holds water with no leaks, but the bottom 2 tiers do not have the same snug fit and leak water, so it's best to have thicker, drier food in those tiers. As with the Lille Stackables, the same warning of food on the bottom of the dishes upon unpacking still applies. This is an excellent option for folks who like to pack a variety of servings and flavors and who want a clean, food-safe stainless steel lunch container. Number 5. Good matching lunch set. Fit and Fresh Insulated Kit. Fit and Fresh Insulated Kit is a great lunch kit if you are looking for a matching set. This kit has a water bottle and 2 food containers that click together and stack. This bag has a large capacity for whatever nourishment you may need to carry around. We like the Fit and Fresh set as a complete lunch kit, but it fell short on the leak-proof test as it leaked through the liner and canvas exterior. The temperature regulation was the worst among those we tested, probably due to the lack of zip closure. The closure on this bag is a strap with a snap button. This is a good choice for someone looking to buy a convenient lunch kit with all the necessities to pack a daily lunch. That's all my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.